You got a box. Cool,
Awesome.
man.
Just what you always wanted.
What's inside? Ah! I knew we should get this. Whoa, that thing cutted.
It's a knife. That's what it's supposed to do.
Oh, cool. What's in here?
Be careful, we don't know.
Gotta open it. Oh, what did you say you thought Uncle Pete would send you? Hmm?
Whoa!
What did you say you thought Uncle Pete would send you?
I didn't think this was going to come.
A hot rod.
A hot
You
rod.
thought Uncle Pete would send you a hot rod.
Look at the engine on it.
Ooh, how many horsepower do you think that has?
26.
26? Wow. Does that make it pretty fast?
Yeah.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
By itself, we don't know. Well, it could be a cheaper, no. Yeah. Huh?
Whoa.
Ah,
Look.
the hot rod's
Look.
cool.
The hot rod's cool. What?
What?
Is that a match?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, one more.
You got another gift,
Come
buddy.
here.